Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use the menu data without replications for equilibrium data. This module was developed to verify if the experimental data reached a constant behavior based on the gradient method. Initially, it is necessary to prepare the sheet with the data. This module requires a sheet called data which must contain the concentration of adsorbate in the liquid phase at equilibrium in column A, the respective concentration of adsorbate in the solid phase at equilibrium in column B, and the temperature in cell C2. Now, close the spreadsheet and open the CAVS. Go to Equilibrium menu, and in Isotherm, and click on Data without replications. Click on Load the data and run. Now, select the spreadsheet that contains the experimental data, and click in Open. Show the results will show the estimated gradient values for each experimental point. In Plot, the isotherm graph will be generated. In Show the Plot, the graph containing the experimental data and the estimated gradient value at each experimental point will be generated. The y-axis on the left is related to Keck data. The y-axis on the right is related to gradient data. Consecutive gradient values close to zero indicate that the data reached a constant behavior. However, no statistical inference was made to confirm this conclusion. The results are automatically saved to the selected file. Two new sheets are created. The first, named Results, which contains the calculated results for the gradient. The second, named Data_Equilibrium, which are ready to be used to fit models to the experimental data. The steps in the adsorption and desorption kinetics modules are similar to those presented in this video. Thanks for watching.